Hi, this is June with New Orleans Potions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a real simple mineral foundation base. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put, let's see, this is cerussite mica, and I am going to put 1 teaspoon and 1 tad. And this is my little grinder that I use a lot. It's a little small Hamilton Beach coffee grinder. I got this off of Amazon. It works really well for doing small portions. Okay, so that was 1 teaspoon plus 1 tad. These tad comes from tkbtrading.com. They have a little set of 5 measuring spoons. It's a drop, a smidgen, a pinch, a dash, and a tad. Okay. So that's your cerussite mica, and this is plain cerussite mica. And then the next ingredient is going to be titanium dioxide, and we're going to put exact amounts. So we're going to put 1 teaspoon, and this is enough to make like a 30-gram jar. Okay. Oh, we need 1 tad. And that's real simple, just 2 ingredients. And this is actually my favorite one. So what I do is I put it in the grinder, in the coffee grinder, and I am going to put a piece of saran wrap over the top. It just keeps it in the coffee grinder because this has a top and I don't want it in there. Okay, and you're going to grind this for about 3 minutes. Okay, now that that's done, take the lid off. And I'm going to tap this. And what you would regularly or normally do, you would leave it settle because a lot of the minerals will be airborne, so either that or you want to wear a mask. I'm going to take that off. And that's how it looks when it's done. Put that aside. And we are going to put it in here. Okay, so that would be your base. So this is enough to make 1 foundation. And another way of, or an easier way of cleaning your grinder is you can put rice in there and run it for a second and it will take all the extra ingredients out. Okay, that is it, and that's how you make your base. So it is 1 teaspoon and 1 tad of cerussite mica, 1 teaspoon, 1 tad of titanium dioxide, and then put it in your coffee grinder and grind for about 3 to 5 minutes, and you have your base. So in another video, I'm going to show you how to make the color concentrates that go inside your base for color. Okay, this is June with New Orleans Potions.